My name is Dean DeRoff, and I'm the owner here at Kumler Collision and Automotive.
I am Jeff Slagle, and I'm an estimator here. I first started working with Archer Collision Equipment about 9 years ago. The first product we bought from them was the ceiling fans to retrofit our paint booth for water-based paint. And since then we've also installed 2 new Garmat paint booths.
When it came the opportunity to buy new booths, I feel very good that Jimmy was the guy I could go to. And he's a guy that I know cares. If I call him up and I need something, I know that Jimmy's not just trying to sell me a product. He cares about our success.
Archer Equipment Specialists, they were right on it and worked with us all the way through, and were able to keep us operating. We installed 2 booths, but we did them one at a time, so we were able to keep our production flow going. Archer Collision Equipment is a great company. I would definitely recommend them to anybody that's considering new equipment in the collision business. They're great to work with. They really care. I feel like they're a partner, not just another company providing a product. They're truly partners in our business.
You know, we're a large shop and a well-known shop, and I've had other shops call me up and say, you know, I'm ready to buy a paint booth. How do you feel? I understand you have Garmat. How do you feel about that? My instant answer is we're very happy. We're happy with not only the equipment, but we're also happy with our supplier. The two have to go together, and I would recommend Archer and Garmat both to anybody.